Imagine a world hidden beneath miles of solid ice, untouched by sunlight or human civilization for millions of years. What kind of life could possibly thrive in such an extreme, isolated environment? Prepare to dive deep with us as we uncover the incredible secrets of Earth's deepest ice-locked lakes and the ancient microbial mysteries they might hold. For decades, we've thought life on Earth needed light and warmth to flourish. But what if we told you there are vast, liquid worlds, sealed away under colossal sheets of ice, where life might be teeming in conditions previously thought impossible? Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the astounding potential for ancient biology in these deep, dark, and utterly alien aquatic realms. In the coldest place on Earth, where temperatures can plunge below -80 degrees Celsius, where no trees grow, no rivers flow, and silence stretches for thousands of kilometers, there is another world, a world we cannot see. A world hidden beneath miles of ice. Here, sealed off for millions of years, are vast lakes, entire bodies of water locked beneath the frozen skin of our planet. They are called subglacial lakes, and their mysteries may change everything we know about life on Earth, and perhaps life beyond it. For most of human history, the idea of a liquid lake beneath Antarctica sounded impossible. How could water exist under so much crushing ice, in a place colder than any desert? The first clues emerged in the 1950s, when Soviet scientists began building Vostok Station deep in East Antarctica. While mapping the land beneath, researchers noticed strange radar echoes, smooth surfaces, too flat to be bedrock. Something was reflecting their signals back. Decades later, in the 1990s, satellite measurements confirmed it. Beneath nearly 4 kilometers of solid ice lay a giant lake. They named it Lake Vostok. Its size shocked scientists. It was 250 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide, making it one of the largest lakes on Earth, comparable to Lake Ontario in North America. And yet, it had been completely sealed off from the surface for at least 15 million years. How could these lakes exist at all? The answer lies in a delicate balance of heat and pressure. The ice sheet above is so thick that it traps geothermal heat from the Earth's interior. The immense pressure lowers the melting point of water, and in some places, salts dissolved in the water prevent it from freezing. The result is astonishing. Hundreds of liquid lakes and rivers beneath Antarctica's frozen crust, hidden plumbing systems flowing in total darkness. Today, scientists have identified over 400 subglacial lakes beneath the Antarctic ice sheet. Some are small and shallow. Others, like Vostok, are vast inland seas. Each one is a time capsule, untouched by the outside world, holding secrets from Earth's deep past. But how do you study a lake sealed under kilometers of ice without contaminating it? That was the challenge scientists faced at Lake Vostok. For years, Russian researchers drilled through the ice, careful not to disturb the fragile ecosystem below. Finally, in 2012, after decades of effort, their drill pierced the lake's ceiling. When samples of refrozen water were brought up, they revealed something astonishing: traces of microbial life. Strange bacteria, unlike anything seen before. Had life truly survived in the pitch-black waters of Lake Vostok, cut off for millions of years? Or had the samples been contaminated by the drilling process? The mystery remains unresolved, but what happened next would deepen the intrigue. In 2013, American scientists turned their attention to Lake Vostok, a smaller lake buried beneath 800 meters of ice. This time, they used cleaner drilling technology to avoid contamination. And when they pulled up water samples, they found not just microbes, but an entire ecosystem of 4,000 species of microorganisms, thriving in the dark. Some were consuming minerals from the rocks. Others appeared to feed on ancient organic matter carried beneath the ice. This was no dead, frozen tomb. It was a living world. In 2019, scientists drilled into another hidden reservoir, Lake Mercer. Again, life appeared: microbes perfectly adapted to extreme isolation. These discoveries were more than scientific curiosities. They pointed to a profound possibility, that life can exist in places long thought impossible. On Jupiter's moon Europa, a thick shell of ice covers an ocean that may be larger than all of Earth's combined. On Saturn's moon, Enceladus, geysers erupt from cracks in its icy crust, hinting at hidden seas below. If microbes can thrive in Antarctica's buried lake, survive in crushing pressure, total darkness, and isolation, then perhaps life exists beneath the frozen oceans of these alien worlds. Antarctica's subglacial lakes are not just windows into Earth's past. They may be rehearsal stages for humanity's greatest exploration yet, the search for life beyond Earth. But these lakes hold dangers too. They are not isolated bathtubs. They are part of a vast, shifting network. Some lakes drain and refill like hidden tide pools, releasing sudden floods beneath the ice sheet. These floods can lubricate the base of glaciers, speeding their slide into the ocean. In a warming world, understanding this hidden water system is critical, because the way Antarctic ice flows will shape the future of global sea levels. In other words, the fate of cities around the world may depend on what happens in lakes we cannot even see. Beneath the Antarctic ice lies one of Earth's last true frontiers, an unseen network of lakes and rivers, untouched for millions of years. Some hold echoes of ancient climates, some may harbor alien ecosystems, and some may quietly shape the future of our planet. We are only beginning to open these frozen vaults. Each lake drilled is a gamble, a balance between discovery and preservation, knowledge and contamination. And yet, humanity presses forward, because in these dark waters, trapped beneath the oldest ice on Earth, may lie answers to our oldest questions. How did life begin? How does it endure? And are we alone in the universe? The mysteries of Earth's deepest ice-locked lakes remain unsolved. But perhaps, just perhaps, they are the closest mirrors we have, two oceans we have yet to explore among the stars.